This is your test for two-dimensional shapes. The first thing I want you to do is put your name at the top and put the date for today. Then we're going to match the shape to the name. You have 5 names up on the top and 5 2D shapes on the bottom. You're going to take your pencil and you're going to draw a line from the shape name to which shape it matches. So let's read the shapes together. Hexagon, circle, trapezoid, pentagon, square. And again, we're drawing a line to which shape it goes to. Hexagon, circle, trapezoid, pentagon, square. All right, moving on. The next section says how many sides and corners. So this shape, you're telling me how many sides that shape has and how many corners that shape has. And then you're doing the same thing for this shape, how many sides it has and how many corners it has. The next section says draw the following shapes in the boxes. Inside this box, you need to draw me a triangle. Inside this box, you need to draw me a rectangle. Do the best you can. And the final section says which of these are quadrilaterals. I want you to circle the shapes that are quadrilaterals. If they are not quadrilaterals, you're going to leave them alone. So circle the ones that are quadrilaterals. When you're all done, you may turn it in.